Hi, this is Emile Menashe for InTune Monthly and Epiphone Guitars, and in our next few installments of our tone series, we're going to start putting different effects together to create a complete tone. First, let's start with some clean tones using compression, delay, and chorus. A modulation effect can add a nice variation to a traditional sound. Here's some phaser with some slapback echo. You can use these clean sounds for lead playing or rhythm playing and do a lot of dynamic variation to create a real array of sounds. Next time, we're going to tackle distortion.